Amid blooming gardens, serene lakes, and towering rock walls, Tangwa Park is one of the most fascinating natural destinations in Curitiba, in the state of Paraná, Brazil. Inaugurated in 1996 on the grounds of former quarries, the park spans a vast area of 235,000 square meters of preserved landscape. Its walking paths invite visitors to explore nature among tranquil lakes, wooded areas, and gardens such as the Podi Lazzarato Garden, where flowers and carefully maintained paths create an atmosphere of serenity. From the panoramic lookout, the contours of the terrain, reflective water surfaces, and views of the city unfold with depth, especially at sunset, when golden light transforms the scenery into visual poetry. The 65-meter waterfall, the colors of the sky, and the vibrant life present in every corner make Tangwa a unique urban retreat where nature and horizon meet. Tangwa Park, beauty that inspires contemplation.